My name is Velichka and I work in Gwinnett County Public Library in Collins Hill branch. Today I'm going to show you how to make at home some fun DIY sensory-friendly activities for your babies or for your toddlers. We all know how hard it is to keep those babies and toddlers engaged and learning, especially right now. So I would like to take some minutes to show you how to make some fun DIY sensory-friendly activities at home. You can try them at home with your baby or with your toddler, so it will keep them entertained. And at the same time, will develop important play skills. The activities that I'm going to show you work in one or two ways. You can play with your baby and asking them questions, sharing memories, learning new vocabulary. Or the activity can work as an open invitation, allowing your child to develop important play skills. Important independent play skills, and ideally you're going to have time for yourself. So since we are practicing social distancing, the materials that I'm using, you can find them at home, or you can use your imagination. You can use anything that you think is fun from your home. So I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite activities. The first activity that I'm going to show you is paper tearing. For the paper tearing, you would need a plastic container and tissue papers. You can use any plastic container that you can find at your home. The container should be big enough so it will allow the child to explore. And you can use any tissue paper or wrapping paper that you can find at home. You just need to cut the paper into small or big pieces. Variety of colors, variety of texture. And just put it in the bin, and you have your ready to be explored paper tear bin. With a paper tear bin, you can play peekaboo with your baby. You can practice pre-cutting skills. You can help him develop fine gross motor skills. You can let him explore different textures. You can also talk about colors, if you would. What color do we see? And it is so satisfying for babies or for toddlers just to rip something. So much fun. The second activity that I'm going to show you today is how to make at home babies and toddlers discovery bottles. With the discovery bottles, your baby or your toddler will have fun exploring new sounds, exploring and investigating different shapes and colors, and having fun. You would need plastic water bottles. You can use any plastic bottles that you can find at home. You just have to wash and dry the bottle, and you can use variety of craft materials that you have at your house. You can use pom-poms, foil, anything that you can find at your house, anything that is too small for the baby to handle or to play, but just perfect for safely exploring through the window of a bottle. So all you have to do is just fill it up and you have your new toy. The third activity that I'm going to show you today is painting in a Ziploc or Ziploc paint. This is a great way to introduce art to the babies or to the toddler because it's safe, it's mess-free, and it's so much fun. For this activity, you would need a plastic Ziploc bag. You can use any plastic Ziploc bag that you have at home. The second thing that you would need is paint. Any washable finger paint that you can find at your house, any colors, any type of washable finger paint. So all you have to do is open up the Ziploc, just like I show you, and you can place few drops of different colors of washable finger paint. Then you can close the bag and you can secure the bag with extra tape on the top, so that way you will avoid any opening. So now you have your ready to be explored Ziploc paint. So you can place the Ziploc paint either on the floor or in a high chair. So you can put it in a plastic thing like this, and that way your little one can explore the Ziploc painting bag very safely. They can squish, they can move the paint around, and they can mix the colors. See, here I used yellow and blue, and I made some green here. You can talk about colors while exploring. You can talk with your baby or your toddler about the mixing the colors. And you're gonna have some fun. I hope you liked the activities that I showed you. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you find them useful, and I hope you're gonna try them at home. Thank you for watching.